The Waypoints, Routes, and Tracks submenu is a powerful platform for managing all of your Helix's navigational data. You can use the utilities here to edit, customize, manage, and even group any waypoints, routes, or tracks that you create or use on your Helix. Access these tools by selecting Waypoints, Routes, and Tracks under the NAV Menu tab using the up and down arrow keys. Enter the submenu with the right arrow key. One of the most important things to do using the Waypoints, Routes, and Tracks submenu is to create a backup copy of all of your navigational data. With an SD card loaded into your Helix, open the Waypoints, Routes, and Tracks submenu, and then use the four-way arrow key to choose Options, followed by Select All and then Export. You now have a backup copy of all of your navigational data on the SD card, which you can squirrel away for safekeeping, share with a friend, or not.